soldier, how can you see anyone through the barrel of a gun? That's a mommy. That's a dad. That's a child. Ain't it sad? Do you know they're people too? Do they mean a thing to you? War's a politician's game, and those bodies have no name. Once they picnicked in the park, now the marksman's found his mark. Once they had a barbecue, now they are just meat to you. See that body, a young girl? Now blood soaks her lovely curl. She once giggled with a friend. Now her life's a tragic end. See her dad cry in his grief? Should her life have been so brief? Look at this, a darling son, bright sunshine to everyone. Tragically, his life is done. It's a loss to everyone. See his mother's agony? Her dear child was only 3. What's this screaming little face? Once enjoyed her dad's embrace. Why does she stand screaming now, paralyzed with endless fear? Look, you shot her daddy down. She will always hear the sound. Does it matter who they were beyond the loud machine gun whir? Everyone a precious face? You've blotted out and left no trace? They're just bodies in your mind. Soldier, how'd you become so blind?
That's it. What a wonderful poem.
Okay, listen, think very carefully and listen very carefully to these words. Define the word terrorist if you can. Is it those who carefully plan to set off bombs to maim and kill and leave the dead laying cold and still? Are terrorists all who kill and destroy every man and woman, girl and boy? Define the word terrorist if you will, for there are others who maim and kill. With powerful armies and planes in the sky, their bomber jets come roaring by. Commanded by their commander-in-chief, they occupy lands like a well-armed thief. Define the word terrorist, be so kind. Are those the people, sick in mind, who think it's okay to bomb a kid for what some crazy man somewhere did? Are terrorists only the Muslim kind, or are there whole nations that are so blind? Define the word terrorist if you must. Those people who say in God we trust, then attack other nations in their fear, blowing up children as they wave and cheer. Fighting terror with terror, they destroy our earth. And could they be American by birth? Define the word terrorist for me. If you can define it, it just may be that our nation's doing terrorist acts. However you define it, the real facts show us to be just as brutal as any terrorist on the planet has. Because if you do what the terrorists do, what does that in truth make you? Terrorist is as terrorist does. And our military's been the worst terror there was.
That's right.
That's all I have to read to you tonight. Thank you. It's good to be here.